PVC registration is happening right now. PVC stands for Permanent Voter Card Registration. This will be my very first election voting in Nigeria. 2023 was my first Nigerian election, and I'm going to be honest, like I was a little bit worried about still being in the country, but I decided like, look, I live in Nigeria and I plan to live in Nigeria for a very long time, right? So I need to understand how elections go, so I'm going to stay in Lagos during the election. 2 weeks before the election, 1 week before the election, Lagos started emptying out. People were gone. And I started getting really, really scared. I'm like, oh my God, like, did I make the right choice? Like, even my flatmate at the time, she left to go to Ghana. I was really scared until I spoke to, I was getting my Igbo lessons in person and with a friend. And she said, oh, she has to leave Lagos. And I'm like, why are you leaving? She said, well, she registered for her PVC in her state and she just wants to go back home and vote in the election. And she said, yeah, a lot of the people who have left Lagos right now, it's because they registered for their PVC and Lagos is not their place of registration, right? Like, just came back. Nigeria for you. It's not their place of like registration. So that's why they were leaving. So anyway, I just wanted to tell you that story because at the time I was really freaking out. I was like, this is getting out of hands. Like everybody is leaving. I'm not prepared. That I was really, really worried until she told me that. And then the election was fine. That's it. That's what I wanted to tell you guys. So now let's do my PVC registration together online. You do the process online and then you go in person. And let's get our PVC cards. Put in PVC registration into Google. You see what comes up, INEC CVR portal. That's what you're going to click. Now we're on the INEC website. Here's the first page, new voter pre-registration. So if you have not registered for your voter's card before and would like to do so, click the button below to pre-register and save a lot of time when you visit. Yeah. So then I'm just scrolling down. I clicked and then you can sign up or log in with social media, which I would not advise. Oh my God, why would you do that? Log in with email, which is normal, standard. Then there's the new portal user, which is what I'm going to do. I have to fill this out completely. So you see first name, last name, mobile number, email, password. I filled that out. Okay, so I filled that part out. So now account created. You have registered successfully. Before you can log in and continue, you need to verify your email. So a message to verify your account has been sent to your email address. Okay, so they sent it, as you guys saw. Then I am verified. And now my account. I have to sign into my account with my email. Now I'm in. I am in. I officially started the process. So here's the initial page. It's like your existing applications. Now let me scroll down. New button, new voter registration. That's what I'm doing. But let's scroll down and see what else is there. It says review if you've registered and you have not reviewed your information. Then people who are transferring the location of the PVC. Then any information update. Then collect your PVC. So this portal is huge. Lost or damaged PVC. So now I'm going to start my process. Okay, now we're in the voter pre-registration. If you have not registered for your voter's card before and would like to do so now, here's the information. So you have to fill out the pre-registration form on this portal. Choose an appointment date for your biometric capture, which is like your fingerprints, your face. Generate application slip for pre-registration. Visit by biometric registration center to capture fingerprints and photo. Track registration status online. Be notified when PVC is ready. Pick up your PVC. So this is the process. And I'm very excited to